Welcome back. Big India Today exclusive. Shah Rukh Khan is learned to have spoken to his son Aryan, who is presently in NCB custody in the cruise drug bust case. Sources say that as a part of legal process, NCB got Aryan to speak to Shah Rukh Khan on the landline for about 2 minutes. It is also learned that Aryan was continuously crying while being interrogated by the NCB. Interrogation has revealed that Aryan has been consuming drugs for almost 4 years now. The NCB sources say that he has consumed drugs even outside India during his visit to the United Kingdom, Dubai and other foreign nations. Investigation also reveals that Aryan and Arbaz have been friends for around 15 years. Devesh is now joining us live for the latest. Devesh, the interrogation has come up with some startling details that Aryan Khan has been consuming drugs for about 4 years now, with the NCB sources even claiming that he consumed drugs outside of India during his visit to Dubai and UK and many other foreign nations. At the moment, from what we are picking up, Shah Rukh Khan has had a chance to speak to his son for 2 minutes. What next as far as Aryan Khan is concerned? What are the charges that the NCB has slapped on Aryan Khan?
See, as of now, Aryan Khan has been booked for consumption of drugs. And yes, WhatsApp chat messages were found when the mobile phone dump was taken by NCB officials. They went through a lot of chat messages where procurement of drugs, consumption of drugs was being discussed, following which Aryan Khan and others were interrogated by the NCB officials who are investigating this particular case. And they found out that this is not the first time that Aryan Khan or the others were consuming drugs, but they had been habitual. They had been consuming drugs earlier also, and that is how the Narcotics Control Bureau has learned that this is not the first occasion that Aryan Khan has been consuming drugs.
Also, Devesh, tell us about the conversation that took place between Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan Khan on that 2-minute phone call that they had.
See, it was a 2-minute conversation. It is, though we don't have the exact details on what was the conversation, but we know that the father-son spoke for barely 2 minutes. It is suspected that Shah Rukh Khan asked his son's well-being, after which the call ended, and Aryan replied stating that he was fine, and he also broke down while speaking to his father. But the details of the conversation are yet to be known.
All right, that's the latest coming in. Devesh getting us these exclusive details. Shah Rukh Khan has gone ahead and consoled his son Aryan Khan. He got a chance to speak to Aryan Khan is what we're picking up. This is an India Today exclusive. He spoke for 2 minutes to Aryan Khan. Now, trouble could mount for Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, who is presently in NCB custody after he was arrested in cruise drug bust case last evening. India Today has also learned that the NCB will seek further custody of Aryan after fresh material has been found in the overnight raids. Sources say that NCB will seek custodial extension of 2 other accused as well. This is coming after the Narcotics Bureau detained one Shreyas Nair, who is a mutual contact of Aryan and his friend Arbaz. Sources say Shreyas's name cropped up in the WhatsApp chats of Aryan Khan and Arbaz, and that he allegedly supplied MD pills to the two. Aryan has been booked for the consumption of drugs. Sources say NCB found narcotics hidden away in sanitary pads, medicine boxes, eye lens covers during his raid in the luxury cruise. Meanwhile, 5 other accused, Ishmeet Singh Chadha, Mohak Jaiswal, Gomit Chopra and Vikrant Chokar, have also been arrested and will be presented in court today. The NCB is also going to be seeking their judicial custody in the court.
हमारे जो ऑनरेबल कोर्ट है उनके सामने 3 लोगों को प्रस्तुत किया गया है और उसके बाद में 1 दिन की उनको एनसीबी कस्टडी दी गई है। उसके अलावा भी बाकी के जो 5 सस्पेक्ट्स थे उन्हें भी शाम को फॉर्मली एनडीपीएस के वेरियस सेक्शन तहत अरेस्ट किया गया है। इस केस में भी काफ़ी फॉलोअप ऑपरेशंस हमारे चल रहे हैं और जल्दी आप देखेंगे काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट्स भी हमारे केस में होंगे।
Ever since the news of Aryan Khan's arrest broke out, a wave of support for Shah Rukh Khan has emerged from Bollywood. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan visited Mannat, Shah Rukh's resident at Bandra Bandstand to meet Shah Rukh Khan. Exclusively speaking to India Today, actor Sunil Shetty urged people to not assume the worst and let all the facts come out. While actor turned filmmaker Pooja Bhatt wrote on Twitter, and I quote, "I stand in solidarity with you and this too shall pass," unquote. Actor Suchitra Krishnamurthy also took to Twitter and extended support to Shah Rukh Khan. My colleague Akshata Nandagopal is now going to elaborate on who all are arrested in the cruise drug bust case. Over to you, Akshata.
Let's get you all the details of the high-profile arrests that have been made by the NCB so far in this case. The most high-profile person in custody right now is Aryan Khan. He spent the night in NCB custody. The charge against him is consumption of drugs. His very close friend, Arbaz Merchant, was also with him. He too has been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Besides that, the other names of those who have been taken into custody, Gobit Chopra, who's a Delhi-based hairstylist, who was also on board the cruise ship, has been arrested. Moonmoon Dhaneja, a socialite, was a passenger on board the ship. She's been arrested too for the consumption of drugs. Another name is that of Nupur Sarika, a fashion designer, has been arrested by the NCB. Now, another name is Ishmit Singh. Ishmit Singh, in fact, also was arrested soon after. You had also Mohak Jaiswal, in fact, was a passenger on board the cruise ship who was also arrested after the raids by the NCB. Vikrant Chokar, a passenger on board the cruise ship, has also been taken into custody. In all, drugs, in fact, that have been recovered, according to the NCB in their report, is 13 grams of cocaine was found with these passengers and several others. 5 grams of MD also was there. You also had 21 grams of charas, which was in fact with these accused, and pills of MDMA. 22 pills has been recovered and seized by the NCB. Cash was also recovered by the Narcotics Control Bureau to the tune of 1.33 lakh rupees.
A bit of a relief coming in for Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, as NCB claims that it would not seek further custody tomorrow. Earlier in the day, Aryan and his friend Arbaz were arrested along with Moonmoon Dhamecha in a drug cruise party case. Take a look at more details coming out in this story.
A superstar drug bust. NCB's biggest crackdown ever. A drug bust on a luxury cruise liner at mid-sea. And Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son is in the dock. In the first ever raid on a cruise drug party, the Narcotics Control Bureau arrested 8 accused.
Taking this straight across to my colleague Akshata, who's got details at the moment about the drug bust hotspots. Over to you. Tell us more about this, Akshata.
Here's a roundup of all the updates and developments that took place on Sunday, soon after the Narcotics Control Bureau had in fact conducted a successful drug bust on board a cruise ship. This was on board Cordelia's Empress ship of the Arabian Sea, and the NCB, after the operation, took several of them into custody. They were detained. Aryan Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's son, as well as 7 others were detained, and they were questioned at the NCB office first. From there, they were taken to the JJ hospital for, of course, the mandatory medical test to also be conducted on Aryan, his friend Arbaz, as well as Moonmoon, a socialite. All 3 of them were taken to JJ hospital, and after that, the 3 arrested accused were to be produced in court. So they were taken to the Killa court to be produced there officially. The NCB sought more custody for about few days, and the NCB was granted custody of the accused for 1 day. That's for today. Now, after that, again, you saw, in fact, Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan based at Mannat, at their residence in Bandra. They haven't been to the NCB office, but sources have told us that they are closely tracking everything that's happening so far with their son Aryan.
The NCB continues its crackdown after Saturday night drug bust off the Mumbai coast. The Narco Bureau officials raided the cruise ship once again this morning. The NCB officials are currently questioning the crew of the ship. Remember, NCB carried out the overnight raids at multiple locations across the city of Mumbai as a follow-up to the Saturday night drug bust. The agency is learned to have recovered drugs in large quantities in these raids. India Today has also learned that the NCB will continue the operation today. The NCB Mumbai chief Sameer Wankhede will lead the operation that is likely to be carried out in hours from now. Now, India Today has also exclusively accessed details of the CREARC event that was to take place on the ship. The event was to have internationally known DJs with tickets ranging from a whopping 60,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Here's a look at the event.
One of the world's most famous artists, internationally renowned DJs, pool parties, musical events, high-profile attendees from Bollywood, fashion and the business industry. The 3-day CREARC Sea Cruise event had it all. Tickets for the 5-star tour started from 60,000 rupees and went all the way to 5 lakh rupees. India Today has accessed exclusive details of the event CREARC, organized by Fashion TV India with Namaskre on board the Cordelia, an Indian super luxury cruise liner. Organizers circulated a 14-page document called the CREARC Bible for high-profile guests, which mentions all the do's and don'ts along with the lists of artists and other attractions. The organizers also mentioned a strict no drugs or illegal substances policy for all participants. The cruise was supposed to depart at 3:30 p.m. on Saturday from Mumbai and return at 10 a.m. on October the 4th after cruising on the Arabian Sea. The organizers for the first day had promised musical performances by Miami-based DJ Stan Kolev, along with famous DJs Bullseye, Browncoat and Deepesh Sharma. On day 2, an FTV pool party was planned for the guests. During the pool party, Raul K, a DJ from Ivory Coast, was scheduled to perform along with Indian DJ Kora and Moroccan artist Keza. The cruise event had several high-profile guests on board, many of whom are now under the Narcotics Bureau scanner. With Divyesh Singh in Mumbai and Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
After the NCB busted the high-profile drug party, the premium luxury cruise ship Cordea's Empress has now washed its hands off the drug bust. The president and CEO of Cordea Cruises has said that the drugs were found in some of the passengers' luggage. Here's a look.
One of India's largest premium luxury cruise ships, Cordelia's Empress. The ship takes guests on board to some of the most popular Indian and international tourist destinations. Equipped with food pavilions, 4 specialty restaurants, bars, gyms, casinos, theatres, several swimming pools, nightclubs and lounges. On Saturday night, under the pale moonlight, the Empress was cutting the high waves and moving towards country's party capital, Goa. The plan was to drown the woes away in the tranquil waters of the Arabian Sea from Mumbai on 2nd October and hit back the shores on 4th. But it was not a trip as usual, as choppy water was awaiting those on board. Despite a clear official guideline by the organizers on no drugs use, as soon as the ship left Mumbai coast and reached mid-sea, NCB officers say they found drugs being used at the rave party.
इतिहास में ड्रग रेड्स एनसीबी के द्वारा कई बार किए गए, लेकिन हाई सीज में किसी क्रूज शिप पर पहली बार किया गया। इस सारे कैलकुलेशन के बाद जो है तय किया गया कि आज रेड किया जाए और मुझे खुशी है कि रेड जो है सक्सेसफुल हुआ।
After NCB raid, President and CEO of Cordelia Cruises, Jürgen Bailom, washed his hands off the drug bust. He said the drugs was found in some of the passengers' luggage and the offenders were offloaded by the Cordelia immediately.
I have nothing to say. We are just cooperating with the authorities. That's our standard procedure.
Drugs were consumed or drugs were...
We don't know. We only operate the ship. We don't know any of that. We are just the operator.
Several passengers complained about the incident, accusing Cordelia of cheating them.
ऑफ कोर्स चीटिंग है, उन्होंने मिस ऑर्गेनाइज करा था, पैथेटिक सर्विस है, हमसे पैसे लिए हुए हैं।
ड्रग्स पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, रेव पार्टी अंदर चल रही थी?
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ स्पेशली ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा था। कौन ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करके बुलाता है? ऑब्वियसली
तो चीटिंग हुआ आपके साथ?
ऑब्वियसली चीटिंग हुआ है, हमारे पैसे लिए और हमें एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिया, हम इतने दूर से आए हैं।
I heard this was so much police, but drugs was found inside somewhere in the cruise. Yeah, outside I didn't see it.
Did some passengers misuse the musical voyage to indulge in using drugs? Now it is up to NCB to reach the bottom of the mid-sea drug bust case.
The ship on which this particular cruise was happening is known as Empress. It's a 692 feet long and weighs more than 48,500 tons. Earlier, it sailed across the Caribbean and now it has been brought to India under the flagship of Cordelia Cruises. Part of this rave party that was planned on board this vessel, on board the cruise, had carried drugs with them. NCB had a specific tip-off, and following that, they conducted the search operation and seized the drugs. Many of those suspects have been detained and many could be arrested further. With camera person Swaraj, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.